Cutting the waste. Compared to other high-income countries, Canada produces almost double the amount of solid waste per person. More waste means more costs, from building new landfills to environmental impacts. Smart waste policies can make our waste systems more efficient and less expensive. The key is changing financial incentives for households, businesses, and manufacturers. Let's look at 3 policies that can help us save money and make our waste systems work better. Policy number 1, pay-as-you-throw. Municipalities can charge households based on how much garbage they generate. These pay-as-you-throw programs make the costs of garbage collection more visible, drawing a direct connection between how much waste you generate and how much you pay. If you generate less waste, you pay less. Recycling and food and yard waste collection can make pay-as-you-throw programs work even better by providing alternatives. Getting waste out of landfills makes them last longer, saving municipalities and taxpayers money. Policy number 2, tipping fees. Businesses that take their waste directly to landfills already pay according to how much waste they produce. The problem is that right now these tipping fees are artificially low because they often don't reflect the full financial, environmental, or social costs of landfilling. Getting tipping fees to reflect the true cost of landfilling is key to encouraging businesses and industry to tip less waste. Policy number 3, extended producer responsibility, or EPR. As the name suggests, EPR extends the responsibility for waste, both physically and financially, to those who are producing it, manufacturers. This accountability creates incentives for manufacturers to make products that generate less waste and are more recyclable. EPR shifts the responsibility of recycling programs from municipalities to manufacturers, who are often much better positioned to develop integrated, efficient systems. With smart, market-based waste policies, Canadians can reduce costs and better manage their waste. This means less trash and more cash. Visit ecofiscal.ca to learn more.